In this video, we demonstrate how an improperly stored magnifying glass in sunlight can accidentally ignite a fire. It shows how the lens can easily focus sunlight through a glass tabletop and ignite combustible material stored underneath the table. I think you'll find this very interesting. A word of caution: focusing lenses are not toys. They can cause burns and start unwanted fires if used improperly. And that's what this video is all about. In my last video, I wondered if the glass tabletop I was using for my experiments, like this table here, it just happened to be convenient, if it's possible to focus light through that by leaving a magnifying glass on it and accidentally start a fire. Well, let's see. It's about 12 o'clock, a little after 12, June 21st. I just got some cardboard down there. I just lay that on there. As you can see, didn't take very long at all to start that on fire. That's scary. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and click on the round anisotropicplus subscribe button, and check out the links to our other videos. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.